Do you have any stones?
Yeah, past 2 this morning.
You did?
Look at that.
Golly.
I fell backwards.
I've realized as I've become an adult things that I like. I love texture and I love certain audio sounds. And I don't know how to explain that.
Like the gurgling of a man you've choked out.
Yes, yes. No, like, I love podcasts, I think, because I love the way it sounds, but my favorite thing in podcasts is when there's gnat sound.
Oh, yeah.
When they're recording themselves getting in and out of cars.
We don't have that sound here. I mean, does this sound natural to you?
That's weird.
What is that?
I don't know.
What's wrong with these guys?
I don't know.
Or when I open my mouth?
Let me try.
Wow.
Weird.
Watch what happens when I touch this.
Too far. We're so sad we had to give back the Mach-E to our friends at Paul Miller Ford, but they gave us the brand new Ford Ranger.
Yeah.
Which one of the employees at Channel 36 bought a Ford Ranger from Paul Miller Ford after seeing our Driving Me Crazies, and he loves it.
Oh,
this is nice.
Leadfoot Mike, who told me this thing rides so easy, he didn't realize he was breaking the sound barrier when he was trying to, jump in front of some people because it was foggy, which is a great time to drive fast, Mike.
Oh my God.
That's what he told me.
You guys know Mike from the time I worked in the IT department.
And
of course IT is...
What does it stand for?
Yeah, oh my gosh. Information technology.
There you go. That's good. That's a good...
Just